Hey Autofiber team, it's 2023 and maybe you haven't figured out how to get streak-free glass. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it easily right after this. All right, so what's more important, the chemical or the towel? The towel is actually more important than the chemical, but the process and the technique is more important than both. So I have 3 tips before we get started. Tip number 1, always use a clean towel, or always use a clean side of a towel that has multiple sides. And the reason for that is dirt and grime will actually cause streaks. So a big mistake that people make is they use a dirty or a partially used towel to finish up the windshield and they end up with streaks. Tip number 2, don't do it in the sun. So if you are a mobile detailer, try to do the windshield first before the sun comes up, or flip the vehicle around so that the sun is not shining directly into the windshield. That also causes problems. Tip number 3 is when you're cleaning your windshield, clean horizontally on one side and vertically on another. That way, if you see a streak, you know whether it comes from the inside or the outside, and you're not constantly getting in and out of the vehicle checking where that streak is located. Cleaning glass is basically a 2-step process, and it can be used with any chemical or towel, but some are better than others. Step 1 is cleaning the dirt, grime, and film off the windshield or the glass, and for that, we typically use a twisted pile side of the towel. And then the second step is a streak-free final wipe, which we use a lower pile side of the towel or a separate towel entirely. The most important thing to remember is that the towel needs to be clean or dry to prevent streaks. All right, now we're gonna talk about the tools that we're gonna use today. And we're gonna use 3 primary things today. We're gonna use American Detailer Garage Breeze, which is the glass specific cleaner, although you can use American Detailer Garage Wipeout diluted to the correct ratio. We're gonna use the Reacher Kit, which has a flexible extension, which is great for the interiors getting between the windshield and where the dashboard meets. And then we're gonna use the smooth glass flip, but you can also use the double glass flip, and both of those will work with the Reacher Kit. But in this example, we're gonna use the smooth glass flip. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the windshield with American Detailer Garage Breeze, and then we're gonna use the twisted pile side of the smooth glass flip, and we're gonna go vertically to clean the glass. And you'll notice there's some streaks on the glass, and that's okay because we haven't switched to the smooth side for the streak-free finish. Then we're gonna switch it to the smooth. And we're gonna eliminate the streaks. If your towel gets saturated or dirty, it's no problem because we can flip it inside and out and get clean and dry sides. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the inside, and for this I'm gonna use the Reacher Kit. And you could probably see the smudges from the exterior shot, and those are all on the inside of the glass. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the glass with American Detailer Garage Breeze. I'm gonna use the twisted pile side, and I'm gonna try to go horizontally the best I can. And the Reacher Kit is great because it kind of conforms and allows you to bend and get into tight spots. And it's also great if you're looking for efficiency, especially as a mobile detailer where you're doing multiple cars a day, because you notice I can reach the whole windshield without getting out of the car. Now I'm gonna come back through, I'm gonna flip it over and use the smooth side for my final wipe. This actually works so well, I almost don't need the final wipe, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I try to do things only one time. I don't want to get out of the car and find out that I missed a spot. All right, today I promised you a streak-free windshield, and we showed you how to do it nice and easy with American Detailer Garage Breeze, the Autofiber Reacher Kit, and the smooth glass flip. Now you have a lot of options, but that's what we use today. Go check them out from Autofiber and get streak-free windshields in 2023.